Greetings viewers. We have put in much effort, research and resources to create this video. If you would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. We would appreciate your opinion in the comments section following each video, and look forward to hearing your thoughts. In this video, we will investigate how the ketogenic diet can benefit the African American community, leading to improved health for all. The ketogenic diet, commonly known as the keto diet, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been gaining popularity in recent years. This diet has been found to be effective in promoting weight loss, improving blood sugar control, and reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases. However, it's important to consider that the keto diet may not be suitable for everyone, and research is still ongoing to determine the long-term effects of the diet. Additionally, it's important to make sure that the diet is well-rounded and includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods to ensure that all nutrient needs are being met. The keto diet can be high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can increase the risk of heart disease if not balanced with nutrient-dense foods such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. It's also important to note that the keto diet may be harder to stick to for some people, particularly those who have a history of disordered eating or who have a hard time sticking to restrictive diets. It's important to listen to your body and make sure that the diet is sustainable for you in the long term. The Black community has a higher incidence of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease compared to other racial groups. These health disparities are often linked to factors such as poverty, lack of access to healthy food options, and limited access to healthcare. The keto diet may have the potential to improve health outcomes in the Black community, but it is important to consider the cultural and socioeconomic factors that may affect the feasibility and sustainability of the diet for this population. Additionally, it's important to note that the keto diet may not be appropriate for people with certain health conditions, such as kidney disease, and it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting the diet. It's also important to note that the keto diet can be expensive, as it typically includes purchasing high-quality, nutrient-dense foods, such as grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, and organic vegetables. This can be a barrier for some individuals, especially those in low-income communities. It's also important to consider cultural food preferences and tradition when discussing diet changes, as the keto diet can be a significant departure from traditional soul food and other cuisines that are popular in the Black community. It's important to work with community leaders, healthcare professionals, and nutrition experts to develop culturally appropriate and sustainable nutrition interventions. Overall, the keto diet may have potential health benefits, but it's important to consider the cultural, socioeconomic, and individual factors that may affect the feasibility and sustainability of the diet for the Black community. More research is needed to determine the long-term effects of the keto diet in different population groups, and to develop culturally appropriate interventions. What did you learn in this video? Please leave a comment below, and I will answer it. Also, let me know what topic you would like us to cover in the next video.